to make a post request in Nuxt 3, all you need is this. So here, adding a little bit, but all you need is just this. We're gonna remove the headers here and just this. So this is all you need to make a post request in Nuxt 3. But in our case, I'm sending in some headers here because they're required in the backend, and a body, and the body is just an object of a user. So the body would look like, you know, it's an object there, and you can have whatever needs to be there. So, and this is pretty much how you send a post request in Nuxt 3. That's it. If you want a Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit, I have one for you. It's completely free. Just click the link below this video. Comes with pages, layout, a use head, composable, custom plugin, TypeScript. It's really nice. It looks just like this, and it comes with two plugins to help you learn how to get your journey started building Nuxt 3 applications. It's yours, absolutely free. Just click the link below this video and it's yours. All right, I'll see you in the next video.